Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special topic just for you: home security rules. Don't make these 5 common home security mistakes. Watch this video to learn important home security rules and tips from a professional locksmith. First on our list is the cardinal rule of home security: reinforcing entry points. As a solo dweller, securing your doors and windows is an absolute must. Upgrade locks, install sturdy door frames, and window reinforcements for peace of mind. Moving on to topic number 2, embracing smart security solutions. In this digital age, convenience and security go hand in hand. Dive into the world of smart locks, surveillance cameras, and home automation to elevate your home security to the next level. Now let's shed light on safety, quite literally. Tip number 3 focuses on the power of proper lighting. Explore strategic placement, the types of lights that work best, and how lighting can be a simple yet effective deterrent for unwanted guests. Building a sense of community is our 4th tip for solo living. Knowing your neighbors, creating a neighborhood watch, and fostering connections. These are more than just feel-good actions, they're powerful tools for your safety. Last but certainly not least, topic number 5, be prepared for emergencies. From having a reliable locksmith on speed dial to creating a foolproof emergency escape plan, cover all the essentials. Being ready for the unexpected is not just practical, it's a peace of mind investment for every solo dweller out there. There you have it, our top 5 tips for single living, straight from the pros. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more security wisdom. Stay safe and secure, solo dwellers. Thanks for tuning in.